Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to give a review on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just bought an item on Temu. How do you actually go ahead and give the seller a review if you actually like the quality of your product or if you found that the product was useful? Now either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but it's fairly easy. Now first we're going to log onto our Temu account. Next you're going to highlight where it says orders and account right over here. And then you're going to click on your reviews. Here you're going to see all the items that you've ordered in which you can leave a review for. So you want to click on leave a review. And then here you can actually insert a photo, a video. You can use one of the quick replies as well. And you can also write a customized message. Down over here, you can insert the number of stars that you want to rate this, and then afterwards, just click on submit. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and give a review on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.